Upgrading React typically involves updating your project's dependencies, including the React and React DOM libraries. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to upgrade React in your project. 1. Check the current version of React. To check your current React version, open the package.json file in your project directory. You'll see something like this. Dependencies. React, 17.0.2. React DOM, 17.0.2. / other dependencies. The version number, example 17.0.2, shows which version of React is currently installed. To upgrade React to the latest version. To upgrade to the latest stable version of React, use either npm or yarn, depending on your package manager. Using npm. Run the following commands to upgrade React and React DOM. npm install React at latest, React DOM at latest. Using yarn. If you're using yarn, run yarn add React at latest, React DOM at latest. This will update your package.json to the latest React version and install the new version in the node_modules directory. 3. Upgrade other dependencies. Sometimes, other packages, example React scripts, or testing libraries, may also need to be upgraded to ensure compatibility with the latest version of React. For create React app projects, you may need to update React scripts. npm install React scripts at latest. Or yarn add React scripts at latest. For other packages that depend on React, like React Router, Redux, etc., you may need to manually update them by following the same process. npm install package name at latest. Or yarn add package name at latest. 4. Check for breaking changes. When upgrading to a new major version of React, example from React 17 to React 18, you may encounter breaking changes that require code adjustments. You can check the official React documentation for upgrade guides and breaking changes between versions. React 18 Upgrade Guide, React 18 Upgrade Guide. React Official Blog. The React blog often covers breaking changes and new features for major releases. 5. Test your application. Once React and related packages are upgraded, it's essential to test your application to ensure everything is still working as expected. Some things to do. Run the development server with npm start or yarn start and ensure the app loads correctly. Run tests. If you have unit tests, run them with npm test or yarn test to make sure nothing is broken. Check for warnings. Pay attention to any new warnings in the console, as they may indicate areas where the code is not fully compatible with the new React version. 6. Optional. Use new React features. After upgrading, you might want to take advantage of new features or APIs introduced in the latest version of React. For example, React 18 introduced concurrent rendering, automatic batching, and new APIs like use transition and use deferred value. You can find more details in the official React documentation. Summary. Check current version. Review your current React version in package.json. Upgrade React and React DOM. Run npm install React at latest, React DOM at latest, or the equivalent yarn command. Upgrade other dependencies. Update React scripts and other related packages if necessary. Check for breaking changes. Refer to the official React documentation for any breaking changes or migration guides. Test your app. Ensure everything works as expected after the upgrade. Let me know if you encounter any issues during the upgrade process.